How to free up space in OneDrive on your Windows 11. Hello everyone, and let's get started. To free up space on OneDrive on your Windows 11, let's try some of the popular steps that you can opt for. The very first one would be using files on demand. So for this, on the tree box, click on the up arrow which will open a list of icons. From there, select on the OneDrive or the cloud icon, which will open OneDrive's personal account. Now tap on the settings icon or the gear icon, which is on the top right, and then go to settings again. Click on sync and backup, scroll down a bit and then go to advanced settings. Under this, you have the option of files on demand. With Files on Demand, you can access all your files on OneDrive without having to download all of them to your device, which can save a lot of space. So now what you can do is click on Free Up Disk Space and then turn on the File on Demand. Likewise, the next step would be delete unnecessary files and folders. Go through each and every files and folders of OneDrive that you no longer need, which will free space both locally as well as OneDrive storage. The next option is to check for the recycle bin. Tap on recycle bin and then delete it or reclaim the storage space. Next up, what you can try is compact large files. If you have large files stored on OneDrive that you rarely use, consider compressing them. However, if none of this work, you can try to upgrade it. Click on the upgrade button, which will give you some of the list of packages or subscription. Tap on any of which you require and you're good to go. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.